In this session on using the FPIB Permit Holder Portal, we look at how to report a discharge. First, click on the bell icon on the home page. Click on the green New Discharge button and enter the details of your discharge in all customary fields. Enter the name of the company you are reporting for and select the industry sector. Select whether the date is known, and if so, enter the date using the calendar. Continue by entering the state of the discharge and the location. Enter the weight of the discharge and select the type of extinguishing agent. Then select the root cause and the reason why the discharge occurred. Fill out the action proposed to prevent further discharges, the personnel involved, any other relevant info, and select the actions completed. Once this has been filled, certify the form with your name, position, and your trackpad signature. Click on the little square in the right corner below to attach your signature. If you have any supporting documents, click the yellow Upload button. Once you're finished, click on the yellow Submit button. To look back on your report, click the blue arrow box and View Details icon. And that's how you can submit a discharge report with ease using the FPIB Permit Holder Portal. As always, if you require any help, you can reach out to the friendly FPIB team.